Eufy S4 system. This one comes with the S4 that has the 2 PoE cameras. So you get 2 of these. So these are nice. These are really nice. And it comes with 2 of these. And these are okay. If you can, I think it's best to get 4 of these, or in our case, we use 8 of these. The reason why I really like these is because you have this camera on top. This one is a 4K resolution with 122-degree field of view, and it has lights as well. And you can adjust the angle like this. And this one, you can adjust the angle here or here. And it also has this part at the bottom that's called the PTZ. So the bottom part right here is a 2K camera that has a wide angle and a telephoto angle, and it has lights. And this thing can rotate all around 360 degrees, and it can do a collaboration with this camera. So you can have this set up to point one way, and you can have the home position of this one to set the other way. That way you're securing 2 areas over here and here. And when this thing sees object or detects motion, this one will swing over to collaborate together. Or this one, if it sees object or motion over here, it just focuses and zooms in and tracks that. So you're covering a lot of area. That's why this is great. Now there is one disadvantage, is that this is technically 2 cameras in one, although it's only 1 cable that you connect to your NVR system, which is this thing right here. It's 1 cable, but it does use 2 channels. It does use 2 channels. And then these, they're called the turret camera. So it's actually the same thing as the camera on top here. So this one has a 4K resolution with 122-degree field of view, and it has lights just like this one. And you mount this one right up to the ceiling, and it's mechanical. You can rotate it any direction you want like this, and you can rotate it up or down a certain amount like this, and it fixes it and it just stays there. It never moves. So you can see where the advantage is. This one is more compact, but that's about it. Whereas this one, this top camera is essentially the same as this, because you can move it up and down, and you can rotate it in any angle you want. And you also got this awesome PTZ unit down here. So if you're looking for the S4 system, then there are 3 different versions. This one comes with the 2 turret cameras and 2 of these S4 cameras. I decided that for our home, we use 8 of these, and that's 16 channels that will max out the NVR system that it includes down here. This is the NVR system. But if you just need the 122-degree field of view of the 4K camera on here, then you could get by with this. However, it just makes more sense to get these instead, because whatever this can do, this one can do, but better. And that's ultimately the bottom line. It's just having the extra PTZ is really nice. And also this acts as a theft deterrent too, because when there's somebody that's moving in the proximity, this will track it. And just the fact that this is tracking, it just makes people be very aware that there's a security camera and it's working. Whereas this one, well, you can have it turn on a red light just like this, but it's not as scary looking as this one, as it tracks you. So this is the NVR system S4 with 2 of the turret camera and 2 of the S4 cameras right here.